Judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jaslyn Symphony. Today I would like to tell you about the folk story from Borneo Island, West Kalimantan, the story of Crying Stone. In a small village, a girl lived with her mother. The girl is very beautiful. Every day she puts makeup and wears her best clothes. But she doesn't like to help her mother work in the field. The girl is very lazy. One day, the mother asked the girl to accompany her to go to the market to buy some food. At first, the girl refuses, but her mother persuades her by saying they are going to buy new clothes. The girl finally agrees, but she asks her mother to walk behind her. She doesn't want to walk side by side with her mother. Although her mother is very sad, she agrees to walk behind her daughter. On the way to the market, everybody admires the girl's beauty. They are also curious. Behind the beautiful girl, there's an old woman with a simple dress. The girl and her mother look very different. "Hello, pretty lady, who is the woman behind you?" asked them. "She's my servant," answers the girl. The mother is very sad, but she doesn't say anything. The girl and her mother meet other people. "Hello, beauty, who is the woman behind you?" asked them again. Again, the girl answers that her mother is her servant. She always says that her mother is her servant every time they meet people. At last, the mother can't hold the pain anymore. She prays to God to punish her daughter. God answers her prayer. Slowly, the girl's legs turns into stone. The process continues to the upper part of the girl's body. The girl is very panicky. "Mother, please forgive me," she cries and asks her mother to forgive her. But it's too late. Her whole body finally becomes a big stone. Until now, people still can see tears falling down the stone. People then call it the crying stone, or in Indonesian, Batu Menangis. The end. Thank you.